Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking. We will practice what you learned before: greetings and politeness, and personal pronouns. We will do this with 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I am ready to speak.
Good. The class is short, clear, and useful for A1 practice. First, shadowing. You listen to short phrases and repeat them with the same rhythm. Second, read aloud. You read a short text out loud to practice pronunciation and confidence. Third, describe the picture. You look at an image and say what you can see.
Okay, I like this plan.
Excellent. Let's begin with shadowing. Shadowing. We start with shadowing. Listen to each short phrase, then repeat it with the same rhythm.
Okay, I will listen and repeat.
Hello, I am Nexo. Hi, Emma. Good morning. I am ready. You are my teacher. She is my friend. He is in class. It is a book. We speak English. They listen. Please repeat. Thank you. Sorry, I am late. Excuse me, where is the door? Okay, I understand. Goodbye, Emma. Good night. Welcome to class. Read aloud. Great work with shadowing. Now, in Read Aloud, we read the text out loud. Nexo will read it first. After that, you pause the video and read it slowly and calmly.
I am ready. Good morning. I am Mia, and this is my first English class. My teacher is Emma. She says, hello, and I say, hi. A boy sits near me. He is Nexo. We open our books, and they look new. Emma says, please listen. I say, okay, thank you. At the end, we smile and say goodbye.
Well done, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thanks, Emma.
Now it is your turn. Please pause the video and read the text out loud. Describe the picture. Great speaking, everyone. Now describe the picture. Say what you see and try to use the words on screen and personal pronouns.
I can try.
Good. Nexo, you go first. After you speak, the viewer will pause the video and try it too.
In the picture, we are in a bright classroom. Emma is at the door, and she looks happy. A sign says, "Welcome." Nexo smiles and says, "Hi." A girl says, "Good morning" to her friend. On the wall, I can see words like please, thank you, sorry, and okay. Two students wave goodbye near the window. They have books and pencils. It is a friendly place.
Now it is your turn. Please pause the video and describe the picture in your own way. Try to use the word shown, but do not make it complicated.
Short and simple sentences are okay.
For example, word, welcome. Sentence, welcome to class. Word, please. Sentence, please sit down. Start simple, and little by little, you will do it better. Now, this is for you. Pause the video and speak.